This is the Jrewu stud finder. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction manual and the stud finder itself. This is not your ordinary stud finder. It'll find studs all day long, but it also has AC current detection. In addition to that, it has a temperature sensor inside, so it can give you the ambient temperature. And the bottom part over here comes off like that to reveal a humidity meter. And this can stick into something to test to see if, like wood or drywall, for example, is wet. It takes a 9-volt battery, which is not included. Let me put that in. I'll tell you a little bit more about it, and then we'll test it out. All right, with a battery in, we can power it on. And we're all set here. And it has different modes. It's in the 1/2-inch mode. You have a 1-inch mode and a 1.5-inch mode. And what that's going to do for you is allow you to detect deeper studs depending. So you'd start on the lowest scale and then go from there deeper if it doesn't detect it. This mode, it has like an I-beam kind of symbol that can detect metal studs. And this is the AC line detection function right there. And I'll demonstrate that to you right now. As I move this across these wires here, it will pick up a reading and it sees AC current right there. So that's how that works, and that will alert you in case you're going to be drilling there. There might be wires, and of course you don't want to drill through that. Then we can test the humidity function. We'll press that, and right now it's showing upside down, as you can see there, which is good because you're going to be using the tool like this with this cover off. So now the display appears right side up. So that's your temperature there, and we can change that to humidity by pressing the arrow button. And now if I put my hand on there, for example, you can see it shows a reading as I just touch the prongs to my hand, because we all perspire in that, so it's going to detect something. But normally you'd use this for wood like this. So you just take it here and stick the probes in the wood. Now, right now it's showing 0. This wood is dry. There's no water here, so there wouldn't be any chance of that. Now, on top of that, it's wintertime and the ambient humidity in the house is about 20%, so everything is super, super dry. So for the stud finder function, I know for a fact there is a beam right here, or stud, to the left of this thermostat. The way it works, and I don't know if you can actually make out the screen on here, it is perfectly readable from any angle in real life, but the camera just has a very hard time focus locking on it. Press and release the button. There's an arrow that shows up, it goes away, and now you slowly start scanning. And right there, it shows the center, and you can move, you see there's arrows left and right that will show you exactly where the center of the stud is. And the arrow will also show like a meter on there. Just in case you couldn't see, I'll show you again up close here. That's the arrow you get, and you see how it's in gradations like that. So it'll go up and down as needed. Also, the AC function will also function while scanning studs. So it'll light up an indicator in the upper corner of the screen in the event there is any AC current there. And just to show, the metal box you see above the clock, there is a beam just to the right of that, or the left on the other side of the wall, and indeed it found it no problem at all. So once again, this was the Jrewu stud finder, a very capable tool with a lot of additional features built right in. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.